We have more rumors of the OnePlus 6, and it will have a glass back. Rumors point to the iPhone SE2 getting slimmer, killing important features and adding others, and for those of you in the United States that want a P20, there is still hope. I'm Jaime Rivera, and definitely back in the New York studio, missing Rome, but I'm actually happy I'm not getting on a plane for weeks. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today began again with deals. If you're in the market for a smartphone, the Essential phone continues to be the most beautifully built and least expensive flagship out there, with a not so great camera, the gift that keeps on giving. $350 in certain retailers right now, and $400 if you're looking for some of the new color variants on Amazon. You can learn more about the deals in the description. Now let's talk about Samsung. The company has been one of the pioneers of VR in mobile. Definitely VR hasn't necessarily taken off as many companies wanted to, but I will have to give props to Samsung for continuing to bring more content, more cameras, more Gear VRs. And as it turns out, the company has just launched their new pilot episode campaign, which brings pretty much original series content in episodes that you can consume on the Gear VR. I've given it a try so far. I will report back soon on it, as the experience is actually really cool. They did it on the Tribeca Film Festival. Now let's move the spotlight over to Apple and the iPhone SE2. For those of you wondering what to expect from this phone, well, we've heard that the headphone jack is going to die, but apparently the trade-off includes some benefits. First of all, apparently the phone will get slimmer, the size will be the same, but we are getting water resistance. So this might be a good trade-off. It's just sad whenever I'm carrying headphones around and I forgot a dongle. It's... oh, God. Now let's talk about Huawei and its P20 and P20 Pro. There are a ton of things this phone can do, and I've posted a ton of what that camera is capable of in my Instagram. But the problem is you can't buy it in North America, or at least not yet. May 17th will be the possible launch for this phone in Canada. Still no dates for the United States, but hey, we'll keep you posted. And finally, the hottest news today is the OnePlus 6 again. Don't blame me. This is going to be a hot phone this year. Peter Lau has now teased that we are expecting a glass back with this phone. Apparently, the company is investing heavily in it, though, even though OnePlus doesn't really sell an expensive phone. It's going to invest in 5 coats of nano coat paint, whereas usually the industry only invests in 3. How is that going to make the experience better or worse? I don't really know. I mean, in today's question, let us know, do you think that it's a good idea for the next OnePlus 6 to bring a glass back? I mean, the biggest problem with glass backs is they're gorgeous, they feel great, but they don't last. And for a phone that claims never settle, I preferred aluminum, but that was just me. Leave us a comment down below, we'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch last week's on Friday Pocketnow Daily up here, and our thoughts from the It Can Wait campaign and my experience driving distracted in the link down below. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.